What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick, aka Dad, and today's video is one I've been super excited about. We're unboxing my brand new ICON CDEV coilovers for our 2021 Ford Bronco. Now, these are some of the most advanced shocks on the market. They're electronically controlled, they're adaptive, and they basically adjust themselves while you drive. Now, we'll dig into what's in the boxes, how the system works, and why I even decided to go with the CDEVs for our Bronco build. Now, the actual install we'll go over in a few different videos along with a test drive. So make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you know when the next video is available. So right out of the gate, ICON always nails the packaging. Everything's neatly, boxed in here, clearly labeled, and honestly just looks really premium. Yeah, you can tell these are some serious coilovers. Each one's got some weight to it. Let's get into this first box and see what's inside. All right, here we go. And, oh man, yeah, that's beautiful. Boy, that is some really nice engineering right here. So, this is one of the ICON CDEV coilovers. As you can already see, what sets it apart, it's billet aluminum top caps, heavy duty springs, and of course the CDEV valve. Right here, this little guy is what makes these smart. Instead of manually turning a knob just to adjust your compression settings, the CDEV system does it automatically as you drive. It reads data like speed, steering, and terrain, and adjusts the damping in real time. So if you're bombing down a trail and hit some washboard sections, it'll instantly stiffen up. Hit the highway? Well, it softens for comfort. It's honestly one of the coolest suspension upgrades you can do for the Bronco, or really any of number of vehicles that this fits on, especially if you drive it both on-road and off-road like we do. Now, this is the brains behind the operation, the ICON Intelligent Control, or IIC. This control module connects to all four shocks and constantly adjusts them using these sensors. Now, it even links to your phone via Bluetooth. You can open the ICON app and actually see what your suspension is doing in real time. Now, currently, the app is only available on iOS, but hopefully soon it'll be available for Android as well, making it just more user-friendly across the board for anybody with whatever phone they have. You can also customize the behavior, so you can have a comfort map for highway and driving around, or an off-road map for trail days, all just a few taps in the app. This is honestly next level tech, kind of like adaptive suspension in high-end sports cars, but built for off-road rigs like the Bronco. So why did I go with the ICON CDEVs over something like a Fox or a King? Well, for me, it came down to versatility. The Bronco for me is my daily driver and my weekend trail rig. I wanted something that could give me the plush comfort when I was on the highway, but didn't want to sacrifice any of the off-road performance when we were on the trails. And that's exactly why I went with the CDEV system, because that's what it promises to do. Plus, ICON's reputation for build quality is super solid. Everything's designed, built, and tuned in the US, and these coilovers are specifically engineered for the Ford Broncos. They're built tough, they look awesome, and I'm really curious to see how much of a difference the electronic damping makes once they're on the truck. Everything's included that you'll need for this installation. It's really all just plug and play for the Bronco platform. The install is going to take a little bit longer than doing a standard coilover swap because we've got the electronics involved with it as well, but it's not that crazy. But I will be showing you the whole process in the next few videos, along with some before and after driving impressions. So if you're thinking about upgrading your Bronco suspension, or you just geek out on off-road tech like I do, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the install and the review. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in that test drive. And if you've already run Icons, I'd love to hear your experience with them. Thanks for watching, guys. Next time, we're getting these bad boys bolted up and taking the Bronco out for its first run with the CDEVs. Can't wait to see how they perform. But as always, we appreciate you watching. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the tips, tricks, and products that we find for our Bronco that you can use on yours. As always, have a blessed day. Bye.